Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's start with today's Valentine's Day gift idea DIY. At first I have taken a glass bottle. I have removed the label and cleared the bottle very well, and then using acrylic white color I am painting the bottle first as a base color. Now I am taking a green color and doing at the bottom of the bottle. Here I have taken a blue color and I have painted the top portion of the bottle. Now here I am painting the couple dress. For the boy I have chosen red color shirt and the red shoes, and then I will do the heart also because it's a Valentine's Day and red is the color of love. So here I am painting the heart. So guys, if you are new to my channel and click my video for the first time, thank you so much for clicking my video. I share DIY home decor video and vlogs, so if you're interested in such type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video so far, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. For the girl I have chosen pink color dress and red shoes, and I have done some white polka dot over here. I like this pattern, that's why I have did it. But if you like other pattern, other color, that's per your choice. You do any color of your choice. Here I am doing the thread of the balloon with white Febicryl color, and then I will do some flowers over there. So here I have taken white color and doing flower laying on the ground. I wanted to give the look of the flowers and doing the red color in the middle of the flower. So as this is a festival of love, festival of hearts, so more hearts we need, so that's why I'm making more red hearts over there, more love. And now to give this look a dreamy finish, I'm doing some clouds over here. This is optional, if you want to do you can do it, but it will give us such a dreamy romantic touch to the bottle. And now I will do some white dots on the bottle. So here for the face part I'm using Febicryl molded clay. You know that there is two parts in this clay, so I have mixed the two parts, and here I am rolling the clay properly and making two circle, same shape circle for the face. Now I am taking some Febicol and putting it on the face part, and then I am taking the clay and pasting it over there. In the same manner I am doing the face of the girl also. I am applying some Febicol and pasting the clay for the face. Now I will let it dry for 24 hours. So now it has dried completely, and for the face I have chosen the skin color. You can choose any color of your own choice. I have chosen skin color over here. And then I will do the hair of the couple using black color, and I will do eyes and smiling face also using the black color. After that I have completed the bottle with the border using the black color. And now for the top of the bottle I am using this jute rope, jute twine. Actually it's not that thick. The jute twine on the top of the bottle, and after that I will paste it with the Febicol glue. And now this is the complete look of this bottle. It's looking absolutely stunning, and I think this is the best Valentine's Day gift idea for your partner, and it is very budget friendly and very easy to make, and it's looking so pretty. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.